Hi there, students. Sprezzatura. Sprezzatura. Okay, this is an Italian word in English. It means nonchalance. It means doing something that is actually really difficult, but making it look easy. You do it carelessly without any problem. It's as if you were doing nothing. Now, this is a word that has over recent years come into fashion. But when I say fashion, I mean the fashion industry. And this is, you just throw your clothes on and they're not perfect, but they look very good on you. It's perhaps almost a little bit of wabi-sabi when you dress, that you haven't got your clothes on perfectly. You're not it's not perfect, but the little things that are not quite right give it this je ne sais quoi, this air. So sprezzatura is giving giving something the impression that it is totally effortless. And I think perhaps sometimes when I make videos, I do have sprezzatura because I've got so much experience. I've made so many millions of explanations to students over the years that I can come up with an explanation for just about anything right off the top of my head. Now, this word sprezzatura, one second. Thank you for Patricia for the idea for this. Was first coined by Baldassare Castiglione, and he was an Italian courtier and diplomat, and he wrote a book about being a courtier, about how to act in the Spanish court, the book of the courtier, and the how to be, and the way to be as a courtier is as if you don't need anything, that everything to you is easy. You're not calculated. You don't say, I want this, I want that. It just comes to you. An ideal courtier is supposed to be skilled at weapons, at athletics, in music, in dancing, but you've got to make all of this look easy. Yeah, and this is just part of yourself. It's an easy thing to do. So sprezzatura, an attitude to become the ideal courtier. This is a quality that Castiglione said was inherent to the Spanish nobleman. And it's making things look effortless. You don't let people see all of the conscious effort, all of the thought that went into making something like that. It's the ability to disguise what you really want, what you really think, what you really mean behind this mask of nonchalance, that you don't really care, that things don't matter, it's not important, it's not difficult, it's not a question. And this is the idea behind sprezzatura. It's being elegant but laid back, being classy but not having everything in the perfect spot. And it's regularly used to talk about Italian style. You've got to be very careful because otherwise you end up looking messy like I do with my clothes normally. So sprezzatura, it's graceful carelessness, graceful nonchalance. You hide all of the thought and work prior that goes into something, and it casually came like that. It casually happened like that. And this really is the idea. So sprezzatura, this I think this word in Italian means nonchalant. That yeah, things that it's not important. It doesn't really matter. Studied nonchalance, graceful conduct, graceful performance without any apparent effort. Yeah, you're just elegant and like that, and it's not perfect, but the imperfections give it its own special style. So calculated nonchalance, sprezzatura, formality. Boof. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Could you use it informally? You're going to have to explain it to a lot of people. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So, sprezzatura. Bye for now.